This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to master IELTS reading. First, familiarize yourself with the 3 sections: academic or general training, each with 3 long texts. Next, understand the diverse question types, from multiple choice to matching headings. Finally, practice strict time management, allocating about 20 minutes per section to ensure you complete the entire test effectively. This foundational knowledge is crucial for building your reading proficiency. To truly excel, you need strong reading strategies. Skimming helps you grasp the main idea of a paragraph in about 30 seconds, while scanning allows you to find specific details like names or dates rapidly. Building a robust vocabulary is also key. Try to learn 10 to 15 new words daily. Always identify keywords in questions and look for their paraphrased versions in the text to find correct answers efficiently. Each question type demands a specific approach. For true, false, not given questions, focus on exact matches and clear contradictions. Matching headings requires understanding the main idea of each paragraph. When completing summaries or sentences, pay close attention to grammatical accuracy and word limits, often 1 to 3 words. Consistent practice with each type will significantly boost your accuracy and confidence on test day. Consistent practice is non-negotiable. Work through full practice tests under timed conditions at least 3 times a week. After each test, thoroughly review your answers, understanding why you made errors and how to avoid them next time. Remember, every mistake is a learning opportunity. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, plus other helpful deals to support your study journey. Good luck!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.